Hello all. Another little steam engine. This is I'm not really sure who it is. I think it's Welco, or however you say that one. But it's Old Smoky steam engine. They're made in the 60s. Picked this up today at an antique shop. And it actually works. Had to clean it a little bit, lube it, but it's going to go off on a little bit of a story here. A long time ago, when Milton Steam Era was still at the fairgrounds, anybody from Milton is going to know about that. There was a vendor that had these, and I was a little kid and I didn't have quite enough money to buy one. So I saved up all my money for the following year, went back, really excited to get one, and he never showed up. He hasn't been back in years, so not really sure what happened to him. I guess this is about maybe 10 years later, and I finally own one. I think these things are just so neat. I have all the respect in the world for people that can build them. I have absolutely no patience to do something this small, so I know this is just the same video of it going round and round and round, but I could sit here and watch this for hours. I really could. And this is probably the only steam engine that I'll ever be able to afford to own. Let's see if I can. So that's the regulator. Let's see if I can get in here. A little bit of a steam whistle. And that'll just sit there and go. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Got some more done on the cement mixer. And here is how to take it in gear and out of gear. So now that's out of gear. Firebox down there. They really did make things with pride back then. I think the kicker here is just they actually have smoke, or steam rather, coming out the chimney. second gear. Might be out of steam. I've been running it for quite a while now. Yeah, we're pretty well out of steam. Oh well. So that's my newest little toy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Alright, talk to you next time.